Guys,
Welcome to Tech Buddies.
so in this video we are going to be unboxing and giving our thoughts on the Truk BTG2, the latest TWS earbuds from Truk. So I was recently scrolling Amazon and I found these earbuds, and when I first looked into the specs and the price it came for, I was kept thinking. I went on YouTube to see some reviews and I knew we had to buy this product and check it out ourselves. Before we talk about the product itself, we'd like to give you a little information about the brand Truk. So it turns out that Truk is a German brand which is making good quality audio products for professionals as well as music lovers since a very long time.
Moving on, let's quickly open the box and check the box contents. Right up front, you have the earbuds with this cool wing-shaped design on the top, which has this cool green and white lighting. You can also have the case with a cool face shape in the middle, which also has the green lighting. We like to do this nifty thing in which we test if we can open the case with one hand, and yes, you can do that very easily, which is not seen in many other buds at the same price point. You also get a charging cable, USB Type-C of course, which is really good, and some extra ear tips.
Buds are made of plastic, but they will resist any accidental drops but not from too high. The Truk buds come with a modern tribal design which looks very futuristic with the winged theme on both earbuds and the white and green lighting which adds to the gamery feel. Talking about comfort, they fit in the ear very well, and even with vigorous shaking, I don't think it'll fall out of the ear. These earbuds are very light, coming at 4 grams, which gives you maximum comfort even while wearing the buds for long hours. Having said that, it does feel very tight in my ear, and personally, I feel that it was very tight in my ear. Maybe after a few more days of using it, you'll be fine with it and get used to it.
If you are a person who takes calls frequently, this might be a good choice for you as it has two mics on the outside of each earbud which cancels out any external environmental noise. We're going to do a phone call to demonstrate the call.
So now I'm speaking to the microphone of the Truk's Buds BTG2. So Gautam, how's the call quality?
The call quality is pretty decent, I would say. But I feel like it's cutting a bit, but I don't think so. That's a fault of the earbuds because we tried it before and it wasn't cutting. It's more like a signal problem from my end. So I feel it's pretty decent for MRP of 3,500 rupees. And remember when I called you when you were here and you also heard the call quality, what did you think about it that time?
Yeah, it was good only.
Okay. That's it. I need
Can
only
you
that.
hear any background noise?
No, I can't hear any background noise from your end.
Okay, that is because of there are two mics on each bud which cancel the outside environmental noise.
Yeah. So that was the audio quality of the Truk BTG2. Here is a snippet of me asking my friend about what he thinks about the call quality on these earbuds. What do you think about the call quality, like from what you're hearing from my end? Okay, so you're saying it's decent, right? If suppose you're potentially a buyer of of earbuds, how much would you pay for? How much do you think these earbuds cost? Around 4K, 5K, right?
This has Bluetooth version 5.1 and the range is better as compared to some other earbuds at the same price point. It will work perfectly fine when in the same room, and even when I went to some other rooms in the house, it was still working well. The connection went off though when I went into my balcony.
There is no audio lag while watching video. These earbuds also have high performance game core chipset which ensures high performance along with high stability. By tapping 3 times on the right bud, you enter that game into the game mode, which shifts the audio to surround sound, making it easier to identify footsteps and gunshots. The latency while gaming is 60 milliseconds, which is lesser than the 7 AirPods and Galaxy Buds as claimed by the brand in their website.
Each earbud comes with a 40 mAh battery. Truk claims that you can get 10 hours of battery life in a single charge. The 300 mAh battery on the case can provide an extra 36 to 38 hours of backup, which takes the overall playtime to 46 to 48 hours, which is about 2 days, which is super impressive. We're talking about touch controls. Press and hold for 2 seconds to power it on and press and hold for 5 seconds to turn off. Touch the earbuds for play, pause and to answer calls. Press and hold to reject calls. Press and hold the left earbud for 2 seconds to go back to previous track and press and hold right earbud for 2 seconds to skip to the next track. I did not expect this, but these earbuds come with Google Assistant or Siri to activate, to which you need to double tap on the left earbud.
So after giving this a proper listen for like 15 to 20 minutes, I have come with a conclusion. These earbuds are extremely good for the price that you're paying. Like if you're paying around 3,000 to 4,000 rupees, it's pretty good compared to like what you're getting from other brands. Few things that I've noticed is the bass is extremely heavy in this one, and I listen to many songs with heavy bass, and it seems like when there's a lot of bass, it starts getting like the vocals or like any instruments in the background, it feels very muffled. Like it's like the earphones are just like promoting the bass. Now I don't know if I was in the game mode or not, but like it felt like it was super bass heavy, and from an audiophile perspective, it would be better if they gave more importance to the mids, the highs, and instead of giving the bass like more importance than the others, because vocals also have to be clear. But if you're coming to songs where like there's, and bass lovers might like it, but if you're coming to songs where like hip hop, where vocals are also important, and you're like listening to people like J. Cole or Kendrick Lamar where their vocals are super important, especially you need to understand what they're saying, lyrics, because what they're saying, like they just rap and then like it's like full flows they have, right? So for that, like I feel like it underperforms a bit. If we are talking about pop music works real, like listening to pop music on this is like a charm. No problems with it. Again, the bass you might feel a bit heavy, but I'm sure many of the average listener loves having more bass in their music, so this won't affect them that much. But if you're like using like brands like Sennheiser or Audio Technica, then moving to this may like pose a problem. It isn't that bad, but for music listening perspective, it's that. Rock is super good on this one. Like especially I heard Stairway to Heaven, and like usually like cheap earbuds, they don't like do distribution between the right ear and the left ear properly, or there's some cracks in between. But this one I was playing on high res lossless. First of all, like it was playing high res lossless. I know this doesn't have high res support, but it was playing with whatever quality it could, and I could hear like the intro being played only on the left ear, which is how it was recorded, so it was very accurate. I could say like Stairway to Heaven, the intro was recorded only for the left ear, so it was playing only on the left ear, and it wasn't like moving between two ears and nothing like that. It was pretty rock and pop. If you listen to rock and pop, this is for you. EDM was fine, but EDM I would suggest not taking this one. EDM and hip hop, it wouldn't be great. But talking about like if you're talking like mids, highs, and lows are super boosted. We do not have that graph where we can see like where it lacks. So from what I heard, the mids are okay, but it really doesn't perform well in the highs. But you will be fine with pop and EDM, and basically listening to any of the new trendy songs and stuff like that. This will be fine. It'll probably be an upgrade from whatever you're using now. Talking about noise isolation, it's really good. Now this is not noise cancelling, not a pair of noise cancelling earbuds, but it does a real good job, especially when you're wearing it and listening to music. So basically I listen to music with a higher like volume than others. I listen to music around 75 to 50%. I don't increase because it's not good for my ears, but I feel like if you're around 60% would be like the ideal the range for everyone to listen to, and it's pretty loud. It gets pretty loud, especially when you're nearing the 90 to 80%. It gets super loud. So everything is fine in this. Noise isolation is extremely good. So like if you're listening to music and all, like I'm talking about music, or if you're watching movies, it like just blocks your complete like ear canal, and it's really tough to like understand what people are talking near you. You'll have to remove to actually and make an effort to understand what they're saying, like if you with these earphones. And this is only when you're playing audio. When you're not playing audio, yes, it's like a bit blocked, but you can at least gauge what the other people are saying. So overall I would say it's not like if you're a proper audiophile, I would suggest spending more. But if you're listening like the casual listener listening to pop or like old hits or you're listening to like rock or something, I'm sure this will do well for you. Now I'm just gonna play like 30 seconds of music so that we don't get copyrighted. So now I'll just play some non-copyrighted music near the mic. This is at max volume. So as you can hear, it was pretty loud and it wasn't bad, especially considering the price and wireless earphones. It was really good. Now let's go to the price.
So the True BT-G2 are sold on Amazon for a price of 3499, but I guess there was some discount or something and I got it for 199. So you can go check in Amazon if the deal is still on and if you're getting it for that price. There's another variant of this. It's called the True Wireless BT-G1, and this is available for Flipkart at 1,999 at the same price. So you can check that out. It has the same features as this one. So that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, like the video and share it with your friends. If you want more product unboxings and reviews like these, let us know with a comment down below. And if you have any questions regarding this product, you can let us know in the comment section. So that's it for this video. Bye bye.